The Mongol conquests are the wars and campaigns of the armies of Genghis Khan and his descendants in the 13th and 14th centuries in Asia and Eastern Europe. The wars of conquest of the Mongol Empire led to the devastation of vast regions, the conquest of many peoples, the destruction of cities and cultural monuments. A number of states emerged in the captured territories: the Golden Horde, the Chagatai Ulus, the Hulaguids state, the Yuan Empire. About 50 million people died from the Mongol military invasions in the Jin Empire, and about 45 to 60 million people died in China alone. About 750,000 people died in Afghanistan. Throughout the 13th century, the Mongol Empire developed through a series of victorious campaigns across Eurasia. At its peak, it stretched from the Pacific Ocean to Central Europe. Unlike later sea empires, such as the European colonial powers, the Mongol Empire was a land power using grass-fed cavalry and livestock. Thus, much of the Mongol conquest and plundering took place during the warmer months, in seasons when there was ample grazing for the herds. The rise of the Mongols was preceded by 15 years of wet and warm weather from 1211 to 1225, which created favorable conditions for horse breeding, greatly aiding Mongol expansion. Mongol dynasties continued to rule China until the 14th century under the Yuan Dynasty, Persia until the 15th century under the Timurid Empire, and in Europe, the Genghis Khanate ruled the Crimean Khanate until the second half of the 18th century.